is always free. Down, down, down to the bottom of the sea.
Welcome to our ocean party.
Where our salty friend SpongeBob waits for you and me. Down, down, down. Ah, we'll have lots of fun. You and me forever.
Tonight we're gonna draw odessynyan.
We'll catch some jellyfish if we get
Odessynyan
Say hello to Patrick and do a little dance.
is an ocean-related yokai, like cat, and he's a rival of Momonyan.
Bottom of the sea, we'll hook up with SpongeBob and his snail Gary.
And he's really
We'll have lots of fun.
based on his design. He's been out at sea. He's got a full entourage of ocean-related yokai at by his side. Alexa, play Best Day Ever.
The Best Day Ever by SpongeBob, featuring Sandy and others on Amazon Music.
Alexa, what is Ocean Odyssey?
According to Wikipedia, oceanography, also known as oceanology, is the scientific study of the ocean. It is an important earth science, which covers a wide range of topics, including ecosystem dynamics, ocean currents, waves, and geophysical fluid dynamics, plate tectonics and the geology of the sea floor, and fluxes of various chemical substances and physical properties within the ocean and across its boundaries.
Next, when drawing odessynyan, we draw this fishing rod. Another thing about him is that he's an interesting fisher. He's been out on the water for quite some time. He might have this thing with catching fish. Here's his hook. And speaking of Ocean Odyssey, a few years ago I went to this special event in New York City. You get to walk through the ocean and even get the chance to encounter some giant squid. And even swim with the dolphins. And even play with the seals. Well, it's actually a live experience. And there's another thing. They have this special gizmo that allows you to help you stop pollution to the ocean. And they allow you to examine animals with this screen thing. A lot has changed in New York. And I want to see it all over again. That place is my favorite. I don't exactly want to stop. telling you, New York City has never stopped evolving. Alexa, play FUN song.
FUN song by SpongeBob and Plankton on Amazon Music.
It's not about winning, it's about fun.
What's that?
Fun is when you... Fun is... It's like... It's kinda... Sorta like a... What is fun? Let me spell it for you. F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me.
And done. There he is.
N is for
That is how you draw odessynyan. Now that's one handsome fella. I hope you all enjoyed this episode. Please like and watch and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next. Man, looking at this guy is awesome.
What fun is all about. Now, do it like this.
Throat's killing me.